we have to find how many even integers are there between the following pairs of numbers. When we have word betweens, it means we have to include both ends of the range. And what else? An integer is even if it's twice some integer. So we know that the integers are whole numbers including 0 and negative values. So even integer will be -4, -2, 0, 2, 4, 6. We're going to positive infinity from negative infinity. And now we see that this number are multiples of 2. So we will use formula that the number of multiples of k between m and n is floor of n over k minus floor of m minus 1 over k. In this first example, let me put this first. Second, for the first example, our n is equal 101, m is 31, and k is 2. So this is equal floor of 101 over 2 minus floor of 31 minus 1 over 2. So this is equal floor of 101 divided by 2 is 50.5 minus floor of 31 minus 1 is 30 divided by 2 is 15. So now let me remind you what is the floor of number. The floor of number is the largest integer less than or equal to x. Because we have 15.5, this number is between 50 and 51. This is our 50.5. So the largest integer less than we have to find because this number is not integer. So the largest integer that is less is on the left side on this number, and this is 15. So we have 50 minus, and in the second expression we have floor of integer. 15 is integer, so it's the same number, minus 15. So this is equal 35. So we have solution to the first example, and to the second we have n equals -85, m is equal -200, k is equal 2. So we will use again the same formula. We have to find floor of -85 divided by 2 minus floor of -200 minus 1 over 2. So this is equal, we have floor of 85 divided by 2 will be 42.5, and negative sign will copy, minus, and we have floor of -200 minus 1 will be -201 divided by 2 is equal 100.5. Now we have to find the floor of these numbers. These numbers are not integers, and we know that the floor of number is the largest integer less than or equal to this number. So we have to find the largest integer that is less than these numbers. You can always draw number line and find between which integers is this first number. So we have -42.5 is between negative 43 and negative 42. So the largest integer, which is less than this number, is negative 43. We have minus, and now we have floor of course I forgot we have negative sign here because we have negative number divided by positive. So we have negative 100.5. This number is between integers negative 101 and 100. So we see that the largest integer that is less than this number is negative 101. So this is equal negative 43, negative and negative give me positive, will be 101. So this is equal 58. This is my solution.